Hello all, welcome to my channel. The topic we are going to discuss today is about central bank digital currency. It is also called digital rupee. Now let us see what is the current issue in news. I have taken this news from Business Standards. Recently, RBI governor said that the RBI digital rupee may be introduced in phases beginning with wholesale businesses in the current financial year. Recently, RBI governor said that we are planning to launch a digital rupee. This began when Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on her budget speech said that CBDC would be launched in the financial year 2022-23, that is the current financial year. Now let us see what is CBDC. CBDC stands for Central Bank Digital Currency. According to RBI, CBDC is a legal tender. It is a legal tender issued by central bank in digital form. It is actually CBDC is a legal tender which is issued by central bank, that is in our case it is RBI in digital form. It is the same as fiat currency, that is CBDC is the same as fiat currency. Fiat currency is a currency which is backed by the central bank of the country. For example, the notes we use, it is actually made of paper. It doesn't have any value on its own. But it is backed by RBI. That is its value actually. In the case of CBDC, it is the same as fiat currency and it can also be exchanged with fiat currency. But the form is different. That is the only difference. It can be transacted using wallets backed by blockchain. Fiat currency can be transacted using wallets backed by blockchain. Now let us see what are the reasons for launching digital currency. The introduction of central bank digital currency will give a big boost to the digital economy. One of the major reasons for introduction of CBDC is to give a boost to our digital economy. From the beginning, RBI was not in support of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., as it has the potential to promote activities like terrorism, money laundering, black money, etc. So, it was a matter of concern for the country. So, by introducing CBDC, it will act as an alternative for such cryptocurrencies also. Another problem with the cryptocurrencies are that they are not backed by the government. So, they have no guarantee or any validity. So, there is high risk associated with such cryptocurrencies. By introducing CBDC, we will be able to address such problems. Now, let us see what are the pros of launching a digital currency. It can help in reducing terrorism, money laundering, etc. Since it is launched by the government, it has the potential to check activities like terrorism, money laundering, black money, etc. And it can check other cryptocurrencies which are not legally backed in the country. And transaction of money can be made easy using such digital currency. It can also reduce the use of paper which is used to produce the notes, and thereby we can protect the environment. It is also a more secure and easy way of transaction when compared to other currencies which does not have any backing or any security. Here there are no intermediaries that are required. So the role of banks can be reduced also. It can have positive and negative effects also. And the cross-border transaction of money can be made easy and more secure using such digital currencies. Now let us see what are the cons of digital rupee. Large number of digitally illiterate people in India. In India, there are a large number of digitally illiterate people. So when we introduced a digital rupee, it might not reach most of our population. That is a matter of concern. And In India, there is a digital divide. That is, there are a lot of people in India who doesn't have access to smartphone or high-speed internet connectivity. So this service will not reach them. That is also a matter of concern. And another concern is the security concerns. As it is in digital space, it is always susceptible to hacking. Hacking can also be a problem when we are dealing with digital rupee. So, and the next problem is high secure digital infrastructure is needed. Such digital infrastructure can be costly. That is also a problem. And another problem is the lack of awareness of the people about such initiatives. In India, most of the people are not aware about such digital initiatives of the nation. So the penetration of such schemes would be less on the people. That is also a problem. As the roles of the bank is also reducing with the use of such digital currencies, the small banks will face a lot of problem and some might even lose their job. That is also a matter of concern. Now let us see what are the way forward in front of us that the government should consider while introducing such schemes. A safe digital infrastructure should be ensured. The government should ensure a safe digital infrastructure so that to address problems such as hacking and safety of the money. Government should also focus on reducing the anonymity with regards to the digital currency. And one of the major things that government should focus is that it should focus on giving digital literacy to the people so that people in the country can use such schemes. And government should also focus on addressing the concerns of small banks. That should also be a matter of concern. And strict KYC norms should be needed. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. Here we should have KYC norms so that we can identify the source of money to check illegal activities in the country. Proper Data Protection Act should be passed in the parliament to deal with the problems with regards to this initiative. And there should be a protocol for offline use of the digital currency. As we have already said that there is a digital divide in the country where people have lack of access to proper internet connectivity. It should also be available in offline mode so that those people can also make use of such facilities. And the government should also take steps to popularize digital platforms among the people. Such digital platforms and initiatives should also be popularized among the people. Many people in the country are not knowing about such schemes. So it should also be a matter of concern that the government should address. With this, we are ending this lecture. Thank you. If you like this lecture, please do subscribe the channel and like the video and write down your feedbacks in the comment section.